Today I want to show you how to cook smothered turkey wings. Oh, they're so good. They're nice and tender, and they're very easy to cook. Rinse off your turkey. Go ahead and season them up. And you can add whatever season you want, but I like to have a little kick to it, putting a little pepper on it. And I have my garlic, my celery, and green onion. Cut it all up. Just add it all to the pot. I love cooking with a crock pot because it really doesn't take any time to cook. Add your bone broth to the bottom. And that's about a half a cup. And this is turkey bone broth, and it's organic. And you can use any kind of bone broth you like, or any type of broth. Go ahead and seal your pot up. And this is a pressure cooker, so it takes about 35 minutes for this to cook. It's already now. You're gonna really enjoy this. It has gravy down there in the bottom, so if you want to put that gravy over some rice or potatoes, that'll be good too. I have this casserole that I have with it today. This is so good, and it's nice and tender. No artificial ingredients. I didn't have to put a lot of grease on it or anything. Enjoy.